Have you ever wondered how buildings are made? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of construction technologies. Imagine giant machines and smart tools working together to create incredible structures. But wait, have you ever thought about how these technologies have evolved over time? Join us as we explore how construction technologies have reached new heights, making buildings stronger, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the secrets behind the construction industry's advancements. Are you ready to see how innovation is shaping the future of architecture? Let's dive in. 3D printing. Did you know that 3D printing can make almost anything you can think of? And get this, it does it with hardly any mistakes, no waste, and at a lower cost. Cool, right? This technology isn't just shaking up the construction industry, but also making waves in lots of other fields too. Imagine making the tiniest, most precise parts for a construction project with 3D printing. Or picture building an entire bridge or massive structure all in one go. Let's dive into some awesome examples to see just how amazing this technology is. In 2019, a construction company made a huge 3D printed office for the Dubai municipality. They say it's the biggest 3D printed building ever. It stands 9.5 meters tall and covers an area of 640 square meters. This project is a game changer for the concrete 3D printing world. And here's another jaw-dropping example of the House of the Future in the United Arab Emirates. It's going to be the home of the Emirates Future Foundation. Guess what? They built this office in just 17 days using 3D printing, and it only took less than 48 hours to set it up in its spot. Isn't that mind-blowing? With 3D printing, the possibilities are endless. Artificial intelligence AI. So, what's the deal with AI in construction? Well, imagine this. Automated construction equipment doing its thing without any human intervention. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's already happening. AI is being used in construction to make tasks like bricklaying a breeze. This is a game changer in civil engineering, let me tell you. But wait, there's more. AI-driven construction systems aren't just about robots taking over. They're about improving accuracy, slashing costs, and keeping everyone safe on the job site. Plus, they speed up project completion, making construction faster and more efficient. It's like switching from doing things by hand to using power tools. Sure, there's a learning curve, but once you've got it down, you're unstoppable. Let's take a closer look at Neuroject, one of the shining stars in AI for construction. This baby doesn't just sit around looking pretty. It's all about boosting safety, streamlining workflow, and getting stuff done like a boss. It can even sniff out missing info or parts, ask the right questions, and use all that juicy data it gathers. For instance, Neuroject can spot potential safety hazards on construction sites, like slips and falls, and give a heads up before things get messy. It's also a pro at spotting any differences between the design plans and what's actually happening on site. Cloud and mobile technology. Before cloud technology came along, all our computer stuff, like files and software, were stored on our own computers. We were limited by how much space we had on our hard drives, and if we needed more space or better software, we had to upgrade our systems. But then, enter cloud technology. It's like having a huge storage space up in the sky, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Imagine a massive collection of hardware all connected together and available to you through the internet. That's what cloud technology does. Services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Gmail give us this cloud space, where we can store our files safely and access them from anywhere. No more worries about losing files or running out of space on our computers. Now, let's talk about how cloud and mobile tech are shaking things up in the construction industry. Brian Tomoli, a construction industry consultant, says that the rise of Industry 4.0, which is all about digitization, is a golden opportunity for construction companies. Those who can make the most of the internet and connected devices will lead the way in the industry's future. One big benefit of using cloud and mobile tech in construction is improved communication and productivity on construction sites. Imagine being able to access project documents and collaborate with colleagues in real time, no matter where you are. That's the power of cloud technology. Plus, there are wearable devices that can track workers' health and safety, helping to keep everyone safe on the job. But it doesn't stop there. Cloud and mobile tech also help in predicting delays in construction projects and even accidents using cool stuff like machine learning. For example, AI-based scheduling systems can analyze project data to spot patterns and trends, helping project managers anticipate problems before they happen and take action to keep things running smoothly. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, UVs. So, what exactly are drones? Well, they're basically flying machines that don't need a pilot on board. Cool, right? These drones are becoming super popular, especially in the construction industry. Now, why are they so popular in construction? Well, let me tell you. Drones are like eyes in the sky for construction sites. They can zoom around and take pictures or videos, helping to survey or inspect the area. This is super handy for keeping an eye on progress and making sure everything is safe and up to code. But wait, there's more. Drones can also make these awesome 3D maps of construction sites. Imagine being able to see the whole site from above in super detail. It's like having a bird's eye view. Oh, and here's the really cool part: drones can even be operated remotely. That means someone can control them from far away, which is perfect for those hard-to-reach places. Now, let's talk about why drones are such a big deal in construction. First off, they make things safer. Instead of sending a person up high to inspect something, you can send a drone. That's way safer, right? Plus, drones save time and money. Instead of having to physically go around and check things, you can just send a drone up and get all the info you need in no time. And because they're so efficient, they can help projects stay on track and on budget. And last but not least, drones are super accurate. They can collect data with precision, giving builders all the info they need to do their job right. Topographic mapping. Topographic mapping might sound fancy, but it's actually super important, especially in big construction projects. So, what's topographic mapping? Well, it's basically about studying maps that show the shape and elevation of the land. This info is crucial for construction projects to avoid mistakes that could cost a lot of money. In the past, getting up-to-date topographic maps was tricky and expensive. You needed a bunch of cash and time. But guess what? Thanks to technology, we've got drones now. These little flying machines have totally changed the game. Drones are awesome because they can quickly and accurately capture images of the land from above. And because they're so precise, they help us create super detailed 3D models of the terrain. This means we can plan our projects better and make sure everything fits just right. Plus, using drones is way cheaper than traditional methods, saving us time and money. So, next time you see a big construction site, just remember drones are probably up there, helping make sure everything goes smoothly. Virtual reality, VR, in. Imagine this. You're an architect, designer, contractor, or engineer working on a big project. Instead of just looking at drawings or models, you can actually step inside your design using VR technology. How cool is that? With VR, you can see every detail of your project up close and personal before it's even built. This helps you understand the project better, spot any potential errors, and make sure everyone involved is on the same page. But how does it work? Well, companies like Robotics are using VR technology along with building information modeling, BIM, to bring projects to life. Once the project is designed, it's synced up with the VR system. Then, all you need is a headset and glasses to immerse yourself in the virtual world of your project. It's like being inside your design. And the best part? VR in construction can save time and money while delivering more accurate results. Plus, it makes it easier for clients to visualize the final product and make decisions faster. So not only is it exciting and useful, but it's also making the construction process smoother and more efficient. Augmented reality, AR. Let's talk about something super cool. Augmented reality, or AR for short. So, what exactly is augmented reality? Well, it's not just pictures on your phone or tablet. It's like magic. Imagine if you could use your phone to see things that aren't really there, but look like they are. Cool, right? Let me give you an example. Say you have a building plan, like a blueprint. If you use your smartphone or tablet with AR, you can actually see a 3D model of the building right there in front of you. It's like the building is right in front of you, even though it's not really there. That's the power of augmented reality. Now, in the construction industry, augmented reality is a big deal. Companies like Robotics are using it to revolutionize how buildings are made. It's not just about seeing cool 3D models, though. AR helps with planning projects, showing what the finished building will look like before even starting, and even measuring spaces automatically. But it doesn't stop there. AR helps workers collaborate better, gives them training right on the job site, and makes everything more interactive. It's It's like having a superpower in your pocket. So, augmented reality isn't just for fun, it's changing the way we build things, making construction smarter and more efficient. How cool is that? Let me know what you think in the comments below.